Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 endangered species you need to know about. From the dense jungles to the vast oceans, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the plight of these remarkable creatures. These incredible creatures are on the brink of extinction, facing threats to their very existence, but there is still hope. By understanding their struggles and raising awareness, we can all play a part in their conservation. Join me now as we delve into the lives of these extraordinary animals, shedding light on their beauty, their importance to the delicate balance of our planet, and the urgent need to protect them for generations to come. Our journey begins in the unforgiving landscapes of the Russian Far East, home to the elusive Amur leopard. Clad in a thick coat of mesmerizing rosettes, this majestic cat is a master of stealth and camouflage. Once their kind roamed freely across vast territories, their numbers plentiful. Sadly, today they cling precariously to survival, their numbers dwindling to a mere whisper in the wind. Fewer than 100 Amur leopards are believed to remain in the wild, making them one of the rarest big cats on Earth. Their decline is a poignant tale of habitat loss, with deforestation and human encroachment relentlessly chipping away at their ancient forests. The illegal wildlife trade also casts a dark shadow, as their stunning coats are highly prized on the black market. Imagine, if you will, the silence of the forest, devoid of the leopard's hushed paw steps. Their disappearance would not only be a tragedy for the species itself, but would also send shockwaves through the entire ecosystem. These apex predators play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their habitat. Their presence keeps prey populations in check, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health of the entire ecosystem. The Amur leopard's fight for survival is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their fate is inextricably linked to our own, and their loss would be deeply felt by all. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Amur leopard's remaining habitat and combat poaching. By raising awareness about their plight and supporting organizations working tirelessly on the ground, we can help turn the tide and ensure a future for this magnificent creature. The Amur leopard, a symbol of resilience and the wild beauty of our planet, deserves our unwavering support. Our next stop takes us to the dense rainforests of Indonesia, where the Javan rhino, a creature seemingly ripped from the pages of prehistory, makes its last stand. Once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, the Javan rhino is now critically endangered, with only a tiny population clinging to survival on the Indonesian island of Java. Their massive armored bodies, once a symbol of strength, now bear the weight of a precarious future. The Javan rhino's decline is a stark reminder of the devastating impact of human activities on our planet. Habitat loss, driven by relentless deforestation for agriculture and development, has pushed them to the brink. Poaching, fueled by the insatiable demand for rhino horn in traditional medicine, continues to threaten their very existence. These magnificent creatures are hunted for their horns, which are believed to possess medicinal properties despite scientific evidence to the contrary. Imagine the crushing weight of extinction, the loss of a species that has roamed the earth for millions of years. The Javan rhino's disappearance would not only be a tragedy for the animal kingdom, but also an indictment of our own actions. Their loss would leave a gaping hole in the intricate tapestry of life, disrupting the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. As herbivores, Javan rhinos play a crucial role in shaping their environment, dispersing seeds and creating clearings that benefit other species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining Javan rhinos, including habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and captive breeding programs. But their future remains uncertain. Their survival hinges on our collective will to address the root causes of their decline, tackling habitat loss and combating the illegal wildlife trade. The Javan rhino's plight is a call to action, a reminder that we must act now to protect our planet's biodiversity and ensure a future where these magnificent creatures can thrive once more. Chapter 3: Vaquita, a whisper in the Gulf of California. Our journey now takes us to the warm waters of the Gulf of California, home to the critically endangered vaquita, a small porpoise teetering on the very edge of extinction. The vaquita, often referred to as the panda of the sea due to its distinctive black markings around its eyes, is the world's smallest cetacean, measuring just a few feet in length. Sadly, their diminutive size has done little to protect them from the threat of human activities. The vaquita's decline is a tragic example of the unintended consequences of fishing practices. They often become entangled and drown in gill nets, large fishing nets, used to catch other marine species. These accidental captures, known as bycatch, have decimated vaquita populations, pushing them to the brink of oblivion. Imagine the vastness of the ocean, once teeming with life, now eerily silent, the vaquita's playful clicks and whistles silenced forever. Their loss would not only be a tragedy for the species itself, but would also send ripples of disruption throughout the marine ecosystem. As predators, vaquitas play a vital role in regulating fish populations, maintaining the health and balance of the Gulf of California's delicate ecosystem. Their disappearance would have far-reaching consequences for the entire marine food web. But amidst the despair, there is a glimmer of hope. Conservation efforts are underway to save the vaquita from extinction. The Mexican government, in collaboration with international organizations, has implemented a series of measures to protect this critically endangered porpoise. A complete ban on gillnet fishing within the vaquita's habitat has been enacted, and efforts are underway to develop alternative fishing gear that minimizes bycatch. Rescue teams are also working tirelessly to locate and release any vaquitas found entangled in nets. The vaquita's fate hangs in the balance, but the dedication of conservationists and the commitment of governments offer a ray of hope. By supporting sustainable fishing practices and raising awareness about the plight of the vaquita, we can all contribute to their survival. Chapter 4: Mountain Gorilla, Guardians of the Virunga Mountains. Our quest to understand the plight of endangered species now takes us high into the Virunga Mountains of Central Africa, home to the majestic mountain gorilla, a creature of immense power and surprising gentleness. Shrouded in mist and legend, these gentle giants once teetered on the brink of extinction, their numbers decimated by habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Their story is one of resilience, a testament to the power of conservation and the unwavering dedication of those working to protect them. Mountain gorillas share a close genetic connection to humans, and their expressive faces, intelligent eyes, and complex social structures make them captivating subjects. They live in tightly knit family groups led by a dominant silverback male, and their social interactions are a joy to behold. Imagine coming face to face with a silverback, his imposing size and powerful presence commanding respect. Despite their strength, mountain gorillas are primarily herbivores. Their days spent foraging for leaves, shoots, and fruits in the dense undergrowth. Their survival is threatened by habitat loss, as human populations expand and encroach upon their forest home. The illegal charcoal trade, a major driver of deforestation in the region, poses a significant threat to their survival. Poaching also remains a constant danger, driven by the demand for gorilla body parts in the illegal wildlife trade and the capture of infants for the pet trade. The transmission of diseases from humans to gorillas is another significant concern, as gorillas are susceptible to many of the same illnesses that affect humans. However, there is hope for the mountain gorilla. Thanks to the tireless efforts of conservationists, researchers, and local communities, mountain gorilla populations have shown remarkable signs of recovery in recent years. Anti-poaching patrols, community conservation initiatives, and sustainable tourism practices have all played a crucial role in their resurgence. The Virunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the success of these conservation efforts. The mountain gorilla's story is a powerful reminder that even in the face of adversity, extinction is not inevitable. By supporting organizations working to protect gorillas and their habitat, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Chapter 5: Sumatran Elephant, Forest Giants in Peril. Our final destination takes us to the lush rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, where the Sumatran elephant, a smaller subspecies of the Asian elephant, faces an uncertain future. These intelligent and social animals, once widespread throughout the island, are now critically endangered, their numbers dwindling due to a combination of habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Imagine, if you will, the sight of a herd of Sumatran elephants moving majestically through the dense jungle, their massive bodies parting the vegetation like ships in the night. These gentle giants play a vital role in maintaining the health of the rainforest ecosystem. As they roam, they create clearings, disperse seeds, and fertilize the soil, contributing to the biodiversity of the forest. Their loss would have a cascading effect on the entire ecosystem, disrupting the delicate balance of life. The primary threat to the Sumatran elephant's survival is habitat loss, driven by the relentless expansion of palm oil plantations and other agricultural activities. As forests are cleared to make way for these plantations, elephants are forced into closer contact with humans, leading to conflict. Crop raiding by elephants, a desperate attempt to find food in increasingly fragmented habitats, often results in retaliation from farmers, further endangering these already vulnerable creatures. Poaching for ivory also poses a significant threat. While international trade in ivory is banned, the demand for elephant tusks continues to fuel a black market, pushing these magnificent creatures closer to the brink. However, there is hope for the Sumatran elephant. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitat. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration efforts, and community outreach programs are all playing a crucial role in their survival. By supporting these organizations, raising awareness about the plight of the Sumatran elephant, and making conscious consumer choices that do not contribute to deforestation, we can all contribute to their conservation. The Sumatran elephant's future, like that of so many endangered species, is in our hands. Let us choose to be the generation that turns the tide, ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come. Chapter 6. A Shared Responsibility. Thank you for watching. Remember, every small action can make a big difference in saving these magnificent creatures. By learning about their plight, supporting conservation efforts, and making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can all contribute to their survival. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on wildlife and conservation. Let us all work together to protect our planet's biodiversity and ensure a future where both humans and wildlife can thrive. Every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. It is our shared responsibility to protect our planet's biodiversity and ensure a future where both humans and wildlife can thrive.